Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to check primary location. So we go to the profile, click the design and scroll to the top to find the key, and primary policy. You find that word and then scroll a little bit to the top and you see the two paragraph. Learn more in privacy center. Click it and then find another word here, view all topics, and click on view all topics. Go to location, you see location and you see the woman and click get start. Scroll to the top again and you see my location account is Phoenix, Arizona. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you love the video and click subscribe to get more the video. Thank you. Bye bye.